It's Amanda here with Healthy Hydration. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to make hydrogen-rich water out of our HH600 4-in-1 device. The reason we call it a 4-in-1 is because you have 4 different therapies you can use with hydrogen gas. And when you drink the water, you're getting a different potency than if you inhale it. But your cells have receptor sites, and so the more different ways you can use the hydrogen in your body, the better your body's going to do. And you can't get too much hydrogen. You'll just breathe out what you don't use. So I'm going to get ready to go on my PEMF technology here for the terahertz, and it's going to radiate energy through my body, and it's important that you stay hydrated. So I'm going to take 16 ounces of water here, and I'm going to go ahead and turn on the unit. And I've got what's called the wand that goes into the glass. And we're going to go ahead and power it up. It goes for 30 minutes. You only need about 5 minutes for making water.
Timing increase.
You can go up or down.
Timing increase.
So we'll do 5 minutes, 6 minutes or so, and then we will go ahead and do it.
Production start.
And you will see here in a minute, we'll start making hydrogen in the little wand. And there we go. So we can leave it for about 5 minutes, and you see the hydrogen's going right out of here. And you can put this in anything. So if you want to do a foot bath, hydrogen can be soaked in your body too. And we also have a hydrogen bath. Imagine that, you put a wand in the bath and it saturates the whole entire bathtub, and then your skin will soak that in. It helps with inflammation, aging in the body, and your body will use that in different ways. And then we also have an ORP meter here just to kind of show you. Oxidation reduction potential meter reader here. And you notice the negative charge, that is a potent antioxidant because vitamin C is about a -50. So you're getting a -400. Tap water is a +2 to 400. So you are getting a negative antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, like vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A. So not only can you put in water with this wonderful device, think about all the times you have tinnitus, ringing of the ears. You can do the same thing. Instead of putting it in the wand and the water, you put it in your ears, inflammation of the ear canals. Wonderful for that. You can then, 1,000 times stronger than drinking the water, you can inhale it for 20 minutes. Put the cannula in the nose and breathe for 20 minutes. And then you can also put it in your eyes. Imagine that. Our eyes are exposed to oxidation from the environment. That's aging, toxins, free radicals. We can put hydrogen gas in the eyes. It helps any kind of eye inflammation, any eye issues. So this unit is very, very powerful. If you want to check out more information, go over to Healthy Hydration or just send us an email or give us a call. We'll be happy to talk to you about it. Cheers. We'll see you in the next video.